Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you.
Good morning, vlog. It is 2:42. Currently going bowling today, but I wanted to start it now, but currently I just woke up around 10-11, you know. I have been doing things because I want to start a clothing brand and do things on Etsy and like stickers and stuff, so I've been doing that more. Planning stuff for my other channel, so go check that out. I am more on there. That's what I've been doing. I have to transfer my things from my SD cards section over here to my new section. So yeah. Hi guys. So I'm about to take a shower and do my hair. Okay, I am dressed. I'm dressed. This is the shirt. So outfit of the day. This is our shirt on and these pants that I think I got from Route 21, but I'm not sure. I'm just gonna do my hair soon. But yeah.
Miley Percocets, rep the set, yeah, gotta rep the set, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, mask off, fuck it.
Niggas just for 100 plans. I don't even got me 100 plans. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo. I carry bitches like a pretzel. You get a little bag and take it to the store. Get a little cash. You shake it real fast and get a little more. What's in the coop? I got bands in the coop. What's in the coop? I'm hella fine. I got some niggas, but they ain't mine. I got pretending. I believe this. I'm gonna play you will never catch me slipping.
Hi guys. So I didn't do my hair, but I didn't know what I wanted to do. This traffic right now is so busy, especially where I'm from, where I live. But yeah, we're going bowling. It is 5:49. I am late. I'm usually not late, so that's telling you something. But yeah, but I'm at a stop sign. Yeah, but we're supposed to be going to get food, but I don't know if we're still doing that. We'll see. And I gotta get gas before I come home. So, I was vlogging on my camera, but there's no space on my SD card, so we're vlogging on my phone. Let me get my pause. And let me lock my door. Ooh, let's see. I'm hungry, but yeah.
Not me. He said, not me. Never. I was like, how they and like, I see him. Get a shortcut.
Alright, we're done bowling. Currently going home, so yeah. I don't know how long this vlog is gonna be, so I might add it to it next week maybe if we do something, but yeah. Hi guys, so I didn't end this vlog. I decided not to add to it because it'll be too long, and yeah. But that's been it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and please subscribe down below. Bye guys.